Hey everyone, still stuck with a small factory screen in your car? Imagine upgrading to a large crystal clear display without losing any original features. Today on Best Product, we are exploring the best car stereo multimedia player that turns your stock setup into a smart Android system with a premium touch display. Let's get started. Let's check out the Road Top Car Stereo Multimedia Player. This system is designed to replace only the original TFT monitor, not your entire factory setup. That means you keep all your car's original functions while adding powerful Android features on top. It is a smart upgrade without losing what already works. The Road Top Car Stereo Multimedia Player offers a choice of 10.25-inch or 12.5-inch touch displays. The larger screen instantly makes your dashboard look more modern and easier to use. Navigation maps appear bigger and clearer. Media controls feel more comfortable. Everything is right there at your fingertips. One of the most impressive features is the dual system setup. It integrates the original Mercedes-Benz NTG system alongside the Android 13 system. You can still access factory radio, GPS navigation, Bluetooth, DVD, CD, USB, and SD functions just like before. Switching between the original system and Android is simple. Just press the Car Info button and move between systems smoothly. The upgraded screen resolution of 1920 by 720 delivers sharp and vibrant visuals. With 1.382 million pixels, the display looks detailed and natural, colors appear more realistic, and the image is less grainy. Whether you are using navigation, streaming media, or checking vehicle information, the picture quality feels premium. Compatibility is another strong point. The system supports the original CAN bus protocol, which means it keeps important factory features like rear-view cameras, 360-degree cameras, and door-open warnings. It also works with the original joystick, touch mouse, steering wheel controls, sound system, and optic fiber. This ensures lossless audio playback and a seamless driving experience. Under the hood, the Road Top Car Stereo Multimedia Player is powered by an 8-core processor. It comes with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM, giving you plenty of space and speed for apps, navigation, and media files. The performance feels smooth and responsive, even when running multiple applications. This upgrade is designed for models like the C-Class W205 and GLC V-Class W447 NTG50. It expands your screen to 10.25 inches or 12.3 inches while keeping the original functionality intact. So you get modern features without sacrificing reliability. Your car deserves a smarter screen. Check the price link in the description, and if you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Best Product for more smart upgrades. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.